Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an honest review of LUV Flow Drops, a supplement that claims to boost focus, energy, and mental clarity using a mix of medicinal mushrooms. Now, before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer, this video is based on my personal opinion and research. Alright, according to the official website at love.health, Love Flow Drops contains a 500 milligrams adaptogenic blend of lion's mane, cordyceps, turkey tail, reishi, and chaga. These are known for their potential benefits in brain function, immunity, and stress support. It's a liquid supplement you take 1 to 2 droppers under the tongue, and they claim it kicks in within 10 to 40 minutes. Pricing wise, it's $129 per bottle at about $103 if you subscribe. Not exactly cheap, but you do get every fourth bottle free on the subscription. Now let's look at the reviews. On their website, they show a 4.8 star average from over 550 reviews. 475 of those are 5-star, with people saying it helped them feel calm, focused, and energized. Some even reported seeing results on the very first use. But not all feedback is glowing. There are a handful of 1-star reviews from users who noticed no change or didn't like the taste or feel the drops. So, is Love Flow Drops legit or a scam? While the product looks promising and uses well-known ingredients, the extremely high price and almost too perfect reviews raised a few red flags for me. That said, I didn't see anything suggesting this is a outright scam, plus the company appears responsive to customer concerns. If you've got the budget and you're into functional mushrooms, it might be a worth try. But if you're skeptical, maybe start with a more affordable alternative first. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Love Flow Drops? What was your experience? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want or find this helpful.